ladies class category.
Okay, Charlotte Gagliardi from Team Honda, Sagay, followed by Alyan.
Ang ganda ng start from Sagay Honda Racing Team, Charlotte Gagliardi. Will it stick for her? Kasi nasa likod lang ang mga contender niya.
Jeanette Olanda and of course Grana on fifth.
Arian Montiliao on the hunt. Si Jess Grana ba yung third?
We have Heidi Limbaga, a four-sister.
Ako, baka magkamali na naman tayo. Let's see. Double check natin. Basahin natin yung mga race plate nila after dito sa stage natin. Ma'am.
Grabe in the Philippines. Okay lang.
Eto na. Kakadaan lang sa stage area. That's Charlotte Gagliardi followed by Arian Montiliao. 729 Kulot Aujero. 633 Olonda. Number 21 Jess Grana. Number 37 5th position. You can see now on the screen that Charlotte Gagliardi nangunguna po over Arian Montiliao of Cabatuan, Iloilo. So ito yung mga guest rider po natin. Let's see. Kanina po, Arian dominate the Moto 1. Moto 2 na po ngayon. Let's see if meron pang speed katulad nung kanina. Ang ganda ng takbo ni Charlotte. Medyo mabagal lang tayo dito sa roller section. Let's see kung sino magdo-dominate dito. Pag malakas ka dito, ladies, sa roller section, definitely sa'yo tong karerang to. Same racing line, same pacing. Arian Montiliao second, Charlotte Gagliardi first position pa rin. Nasa likod ni Charlotte si Arian. Ay, there you go. Arian need to change the racing line kung gusto niyang makakuha ng chance for an overtake over Charlotte Gagliardi. Here you go. Solid run for Charlotte Gagliardi. In fairness, itong dalawang to, along with Montiliao, ito yung mga naglalaban dito sa Western Visayas, sa ladies category.
Ayan na si Kulot na third, fourth is Jeanette Olanda.
Third po si Kulot. Kulot is from Guimaras.
So white flag, one more lap to go.
White flag na po tayo. Oy! Nag-attempt si Arian. Bar to bar yun. Pero hindi pinayagan ng taga-Sagay. Solid run to mga ladies natin. Pero nakikita natin, Arian umaatake na. Aujero third, 633. That is Olonda third and fourth respectively. On the screen, that's Gagliardi, followed by Montiliao. We're not seeing an attack form yet from Arian unless may makita tayong different line. At kukunin! Eto na sinasabi ko. Different line may Arian. Kukunin niya ang inside line. On that triple.
And coming after Kulot, AG Aujero.
Checkered flag po, lumabas na.